Hello, my name is Shiva and I am doing a PhD here at the University of West London School of Computing and Engineering in Built Environment Studies. My research topic is about a new UK government legislation and its impact on commercial buildings, and within the scope of my research I focus on hotel buildings. Around 40% of annual energy consumption and 30% of greenhouse gas emissions in EU is caused by buildings. So that's a very important field to focus on if we want to tackle those kind of issues. This is a collaborative project with Hilton Worldwide and Chartered Institute of Building Engineering Services, or CIBSE. So within the scope of my research, I will be using a combination of fieldworks and simulation and modeling software. So that means for every new case, for every building that I need to investigate, I will be first carrying out a site visit. I will be using a thermal analysis software, which is called TAS. And then by having this input data, I will run a first set of simulation, which will provide me with a good prediction of the energy consumption of that building. And in order to ensure that this model is as close to reality as possible, I will need to validate this against the actual consumption. As we know, the highest goal in hospitality industry is to cater for guest comfort. So the impact and applicability for industry will be that not every single measure can have good and reasonable answers for all these three requirements. I chose University of West London because I knew that the university has very strong connection and links with the industry, and that was of high importance for me, and it's very important with the type of project I'm doing. When I finish my PhD, I will be very glad if I can find a job to remain in the research environment, as I find it both very interesting and very challenging at the same time. It never gets boring.